Welcome to Marcus Johnson channel. I will be showing this.
Mechanical Master Bricks remote control vehicle?
Yeah.
So it's like a Lego that you can remote control? Or not?
Here it is.
Is it a real Lego or is it a fake Lego?
Fake.
Oh, okay. All right, so this is what it is. It could be two different kind of cars, right? We only made one.
Because we didn't have two.
Right. So, do you want to show people how this thing works?
Here's the instruction book.
Okay. Do we want to show people how this works?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, you want to do it on the floor? Oh, there's one.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do it on the floor? Okay. Go ahead. Show them how it works. So it actually works on carpet. Kind of. Sort of. Oh, there it goes.
Go this way.
You gotta turn the wheels to the right then, because it keeps going to the left. Oh, well. No one said it was perfect. It's gone. Where'd it go? Oh, I see the front. There. Oh, it's got stuck on the table.
Okay, that might be better.
Okay, we got it. We get the idea. All right. That's it.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.